crazy cold and flu going around. I think it's influenza A. I'm gonna teach you how to make a version of our herbacillin, which is safe for ages 6 months and up, and this is gonna help boost your immune system. So anytime you or the kiddos start feeling like you're coming down with something, start taking this and it will help boost your immune system, hopefully not make you as sick as you could be. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 5 herbs. You're gonna need golden seal, oregano, thyme, echinacea, and clove. You're also gonna need an organic vegetable glycerin. You can also use alcohol to make a tincture out of this, but for the sake of this, because of TikTok regulations, I'm gonna teach you a vegetable glycerin, and I'm also gonna use just this pint-sized jar. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of thyme, echinacea, oregano, and golden seal, and we're gonna put that into our jar. So when you're done, your jar should be about halfway full. Now, when it comes to the clove, if you're using this size, you only need one little piece of clove because these bad boys is strong. So you're just gonna take that and boop, right down in there. When it comes to vegetable glycerin, you're gonna wanna take your jar and you're gonna wanna fill it at least 60 to 70% of the way up, and then the rest you're gonna fill up with water. Once you get your jar filled with vegetable glycerin, you're just gonna add water to the top of it. You wanna use purified or distilled water, which is best, okay? And now once it's full, you're just gonna give it a good mixeroo, and that way it's all mixed together. So once your vegetable glycerin is done and you got your herb jar, you're just gonna take this bad boy and you're gonna fill her up to the brim. Just leaving a little bit of headway, and then you're obviously gonna mix this together so it all combines. Put the lid on and shake it again. Now, you can do this the old school way where you could set this in the window for 6 to 8 weeks and wait for it to get done, but we're gonna go ahead, you can actually put this on the stove for like 2 hours on a low heat and let this heat up and let it penetrate all the herbs, and we can get it done faster. So all you're gonna do is put this on the stove and let it simmer for 2 hours. Check it occasionally, come over, put a glove on, shake it, stir it. And once it's done on the stove, you're just gonna go ahead and let it set, let it come down to natural temperature. And then when it's all cooled off, you can go ahead and strain it out. When it's all cooled down, we're gonna go ahead, you're just gonna get yourself a strainer or some cheesecloth, open her up, pour her out. You can use a spatula to push out the excess juice. And once you get it all strained out, you're just gonna get you a brown amber jar and fill it all the way up. I'll go ahead and put the dosage chart right here. There you go, folks. It's that easy. That's how you make the liquid herbacillin, or at least similar to our version. This is truly my most favorite blend that we have. I live on this stuff. I have avoided getting sick from everybody just by taking our herbacillin capsules. So if you don't want the liquid form, you can come on over to our site, get it in the capsule form. I swear by this stuff. I've seen shingles disappear in 3 days, people with bacterial vaginosis, bladder infections, yeast infections, cold sores, all of it. So this is a really potent blend. This is something that you need to have in your medicine cabinet. So get to making it.